You're going to photo it. And I say, what did you get for
Never really know what's going on.
This is me and my child. We are in East London. Hi, Wayne. Hi, Wayne. See, we uvukile wena. Sisemonti. Umama kusezithayilesi sana undiyeke unahamba naye mntana ukuthi ucala nembambele ndathi masiye ebhasini wathi okay akandazi nondazi what if oh awuzima hey uzibhasi endaweni
yabo ungaweli
ungahlanga kakhulu ukuthi iyagalela idizili
Ayofika kimi Ami ngiyolithatha uhambo Hleze ngiyobona Sekwedlule konke Ngiyobonga impilo Ngentokozo nongamwe Manje yimi
look 10 years lapha kule game
ulapha
until befit tu kunanyoko steps
kade unyaka steps
10 years yonke lapha
yeah mbona
I'm just enough to make you smile, and you need me to hold you close, and all your fears that you dream of will disappear and flutter hold on just a little. Right here in the middle ground is where we'll stay.
Cape Town
yes
Are you melting? Guys, 40 degrees namhlanje. Ixesha ngo8:30. Ndiyaphuma ngiyothenga ndifuna uyothenga. Nithi liqilela kanjani ngoba into ezophinda indiphinise phandle. Ngaphandle bakuthanda goduka. Hayi bethulana la evidence. Hayo. It's time.
Good morning, Cape Town. Looking for another beautiful day here in the city closet.
Aksabaji. I am so early today, guys. I arrived here in Cape Town at 6 o'clock. Still dark. Wow. So then I come and write just because of Zulu. Love speaking. So, I'm not. Hi, bad. Hayi Tommy, it's fine. I do have plastic. Take it for right. Kazi for yani. Can not ukhala kubuzipi. Kai wani. Izadura. Kan fura.
Toma athela plastic ngizofaka lento yakuphi into yami. Ngisho ithi ayicela.
Okay, Tommy. Kana ngikhuphe yokhwela Tom ngalona ngikazithenga nto. Kana ndizibala imali yokhwela. Ndiyakusapota nje because andizikhalele chips. Thank you, my friend.
Amanda, Elena, ayo figurimi, I'm your tattoo humble, blessing you wanna say
Small beginnings, guys. This is where I stay. It's how I stay. Hey, sweethearts, yo. And that's one I'm gonna have a live vlog. But welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. I'm in Cape Town, trying to figure out life. Nothing tangible as of yet, but I'm trying to figure out life. And yes, so that's why I'm gonna be scarce because I'm settled and they feel this life. Engayazi nami ngibone God ba-ondlikela phinjani, but if ndiyabona ngathi izinto are a bit easy for me, I will create a content for you guys. But for now, I'm not content nami saxakene nento, you know. So yes, now I'm having a future life, guys. I only have this skaftin lunchbox. I only have this and that little bottle, it's a surprise bottle inside. Basically, but it's fine. So I'm gonna go to the mall today. It's Saturday. I'm gonna go to the mall and get some shoe essentials. And that thing I bought a kettle. And then an iron, mop, like isn't the same cock. So now I'm gonna go to the mall, get some few stuff. I'm not about to get this and that. I now gonna send it right till I finish. No, like isn't this bad? Like it's family.
They said the mall belongs to them.
The fruits
What?
of our labor.
Yeah, they said the mall belongs to them.
Being quiet,
I'm gonna do that next time.
in particular with
Taxi
our
drivers,
collection,
you
we
can't
should be looking out
fight
for,
with them, you know.
Oh, and the prices are up.
For you to go to
where you'll find all of our designers. And then we've
this
got
way there's
Africa
too
Fashion
much.
International,
Yeah.
where you'll find
and
everything.
then you find out that people are drinking already.
Yo. I'm back from the mall. I'm gonna tell you because I know there's a Kellogg's company. I bought bread. It's really putting it in the bed. I don't have pots yet, so I don't know when I'm gonna cook. I'm not pots. I'm not fridge, I'm not cupboard. Famous combo. Yeah, the combo, guys. Zana, you got a combo, go give me the rice and ShopRite friend. What's going on? Let's go, and then there's this shop. It's kind of like a Chinese shop. Imali yamoya because another God that I spent money, but so like, so when you're sad, treat yourself. When you're happy, treat yourself. So I was feeling sad. My spirit is down, so I said the same. Just buy something. 30 rand, 35 rand, 14 rand. Isn't when I'm on my last days of my periods. Ndingasebenzisela amagqwetha. 25. 6 rings. I bought 2 for 12 rand. Bought this for doing the dishes. Extension. And I want to iron or charge my phone. These guys smell so nice. It was 20 rand. And then it was dishwasher. Oh, if this is the price, 217, I think. And also in ShopRite I spent 200 and something, 202 rands, and then I asked for cashback for another pair.